Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host James. Today we are going to dive in a sensational AI platform that can convert your content into any languages. 皆さんこんにちは。YouTube チャンネルへようこそ。司会のジェームズです。今日はあなたのコンテンツを変換できる画期的な AI プラットフォームをAs a YouTuber, I always want to expand my territories from one region to regions, but then you know the phrase language barriers. For example, if you don't speak Hindi, half of the Indian friends cannot understand what I'm saying. Even though I love learning languages, but it's really hard for me to master it. But with this tool, finally I can do that. Meet Vmeg.ai. This artificial intelligence tool is so cool. It can help you to generate multiple languages with you. This is quite interesting, and I think no one can do perfectly. I doubt what kind of result the Vimeg will give me. Hi, I'm James. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, let's dive in Vmeg.ai. Okay, now we are landing the homepage of the Vimeg. The domain is Vmeg.ai. And in the homepage, it says AI-powered video localization platform. Translate localized W video over 170 languages, more than 7,000 voices. And we'll scroll down a little bit. In this promote video, you can find more information about this tool. So basically, this is not only a tool for help the YouTuber like me, but also if you are very into TV shows, you can also do that. You can transfer your favorite TV shows into different languages. And also, if you are promoting your products, you can transfer your short videos into multiple languages. That will be quite helpful for marketing people and also for YouTube influencers like us, right? And you can even change your voice. If you're very introvert, you don't want to use your own voice, you can use that voiceover tool. Video translation that fits any story. And you can use different voiceover, voice clone. I don't want to lose my voice in different languages. I want to have a consistency of the voice so that people notice that this is a James Shi, not somebody else. So I got a good feeling that Vimeg just will do the job. So if you transfer my video into different languages, but my mouth, my lips still move like the English, it doesn't make sense, right? So in Vimeg, you can add the subtitles in different styles. That will be cool. And let's log in by Google account. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're in the dashboard of the Vimeg. Wow, I used Vimeg before, and this is something new. So I already prepared a clip of the video. Let's take a look. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host James. Today we are going to dive in a sensational AI platform that can convert your content into any languages. Meet Vmeg.ai. Okay, now let's try to upload this video. And if you don't have any video assets, you can try to use the demo assets. But I do have one. Let's upload here from my device. And you know what is even cooler? You can just drop a link of your video. For example, this is the homepage of my YouTube, right? So you can find a lot of videos here. So as long as I copy the link of each videos to Vimeg, I can get a different version of the different languages. But right now we're using the local materials. So let's just type a prompt. I just write a simple prompt, translates into Japanese. Oh, what we have here, we have an expert of the video. Let me just type. Okay, the AI says I prepared to translate settings for your video. I set it to prioritize voice ability to ensure a clean and professional narration in Japanese. I just need to say confirm. Alright, the agent says, great, I successfully submitted the translation task for your video, and you can click here. So let's click here to view. Alright, this is our results. Wow, from the cover, I cannot see different. Let's click the play. Wow, this is amazing. And when you click here, download this video, you can download the video version, you can download the audio version, and also you can download the subtitles. Just let's click here. And if you're not satisfied with the result, just click the edit part. So in edit parts, you can find all the subtitles here. You can change, modify it just by click here. And you're able to drag the position of the start point. And this is a lip sync. If you click here, click continue. See, before I use lip sync, the Japanese come from my mouse is not correct, right? And you can download them and re-upload it to different platforms.
皆さんこんにちは。YouTube チャンネルへようこそ。司会のジェームズです。今日はあなたのコンテンツを変換できる画期的な AI プラットフォームをご紹介します。あらゆる言語に対応した Vmeg AI です。私のような YouTuber なら
Isn't that fabulous? I think this is the most professional AI translation tool I have ever used. And when you click the video translator in the navigation bar, so for example, if I just put one of my YouTube link here, oh, this is one of my video. And we don't need to click here, but if you want, you can select your original languages. Or if you click this toggle button, if your video is a multi-language video, and you can choose one of the target language. For instance, German. And this is a multi-selections, so you can transfer into different languages at the same time. And the number of the speakers, I think we can use auto detect. And we can click here, this toggle button allow the AI to adjust the video speed. And let's click the submit button.
Hexfield AI ist ziemlich cool, denn sie finden dort die fortschrittlichsten Top-KI-Modelle der Branche und sie können KI-Filme und KI-Videos mit Sora oder Field 3,1 erstellen, was immer sie wollen. Und sie können in Hexfield sogar ganz einfach Videos oder Bilder bearbeiten.
Alright, this is not even all you can do. In fact, you can just use it to translate audio file, of course, and also you can do the transcription and the text to speech. So I think Vmeg is a perfect tool for YouTube. I highly suggest you to try it yourself. Okay, so much for today. Hope you like it, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.
Hey, hey! Don't forget to subscribe to James Shee's channel.